Hey guys, so a few years ago I created this DVD. It's called the Effects Maniac, and when I came up with the concept of this DVD, it was to provide an overview of a range of different guitar effects. So of course I existed in the time before internet, and when I was first learning guitar, to be able to hear what a certain guitar effects did, you had to go into a guitar store and physically seek it out and play it. So I used to go into the guitar shops and marvel at the array of different guitar pedals, and I had no idea what any of them did. So I used to love just experimenting and trying them out before I drive the guitar shop owner nuts. So anyway, this DVD is the kind of video that I would have liked available to me when I was first learning guitar. So basically it's close to 4 hours long, and it's broken down into individual chapters of types of effects. So you've got dynamic, modulation, time and space, filter and pitch. And then effects combinations. So essentially, for instance, the modulation has different chapters on chorus, flanger, phaser, all that kind of thing. And it talks about different types of pedals, so different types of flanges, the parameters that make up those pedals, and a little bit of history on how that effect was created or invented. So I personally thought it was a pretty good concept. I had about 4,000 copies of these produced, and I've got about 3,998 of them still sitting in my garage. So yeah, it was a little bit of a fail, actually a big bit of a fail, but what I've decided to do is to individually upload the separate chapters onto my YouTube channel, so that you, the viewer, if you're interested, can check them out for free, and yeah, you might find it interesting. So if that is something that you would like to see, please hit subscribe and the notification bell so that you get a notification when I upload each chapter, and I hope you enjoy.